Hello, let's go ahead and make bacon, egg, and cheese on everything bagel. This is for my hungry teenager boy. So we're going to use 3 eggs, okay? All right, let's go ahead and get my bagel ready because my toaster is a little bit slow, but I like nice and golden brown bagel. So for that reason, I'm going to toast my bagel now. Sometimes you can even grill your bagel on your skillet, but I prefer to just toast it, simple and easy. Okay, like I said, we need 3 eggs. Let's go ahead and turn on this stove here at medium, a little higher than medium heat. Let's scramble the eggs. Going to grab some olive oil. Don't be too worried about oil because it's olive oil. And I'm using olive oil that is suitable for stir frying and sauteing.
Oh, for high heat.
For high heat, yes. So this is nice, very nice olive oil. Okay, let's toast that. Oh, by the way, I baked my bacon ahead of the time. I lined up parchment paper on my cooking sheet and I baked my oven. This takes about 20 to 25 minutes. When you put in your oven, do not preheat your oven. Just line up your bacon on parchment paper and then just shovel it in your oven, and then you turn on your oven at 425 degrees and cook it about 20 to 25 minutes. And I am so happy with the result. It's nice and crispy. And once it's done, take it out and put it on paper towel. Okay, let's go ahead and cook the egg here. Going to lower the heat a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of bacon, a little bit of pepper, black pepper.
Bacon is in your mind.
Okay. At this point, I can even turn off my stove here for a second. Grab my cheese. Okay, you don't want to overcook your egg because my boy doesn't like overcooked egg. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it on the side. Let's go ahead and use 2 slices of pepper jack cheese and 2 slices of cheddar cheese. This is thin sliced cheddar cheese, so thin like a paper. The reason I'm using this thin one is because it's quicker to melt. So I'm going to use a little bit of trick because I was a little bit behind. I'm going to put my cheese here. This is thick cheese. And then I will put my cheddar cheese over my eggs here. Okay, now you see my cheese is melting. I'm going to flip my cheese over. Like that. Oh my goodness, he's going to be thrilled. So let's go ahead and check the bagel here. It's nice and golden brown. I love it. Okay. Now, I'm going to use 3 to 4 slices of bacon here. I'm going to break this bacon in half. So let's go ahead and use 3 slices of bacon. I'm going to use the top of my bagel here and then grab my spatula. Oh my goodness, look at this bagel right here. So here's your bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. There you go. Oh, this is the simple bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. If you want to go a little bit more sophisticated as far as with the taste, let's go ahead and make some. Let's make some sauce. I have some mayonnaise here. I'm going to add some sriracha sauce, like that. And then a little bit of Worcester sauce. Just a few drops here. I'm going to actually add a little more sriracha sauce as well. Sriracha sauce, my favorite store, Trader Joe. Okay, so I'm going to mix that. This is just optional, that's why I didn't add it in the beginning. Then you can put it over. We can go a little bit richer here. All right, let's go ahead and put it over there. If you want to, you can also put on the other side of your bagel. Why don't we do it? Because my boy likes this sauce. Okay. Oh, you're going to love this one. Gonna flip it over. Okay, here's the bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. Like this, like that. If you don't have bagel, or if you're not a big fan of bagel, you can also make it on sourdough bread. I have some sourdough bread that I made it last night. So, the same thing, cook your egg, pile up with your bacon. And then you're going to put your bread on top of it. Grab my spatula here. That. And here's your bacon, egg, and cheese on sourdough bread. That's the other option. Or you can use any kind of bread.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, here is the bacon, egg, and cheese on sourdough bread. Since I made the other one for my boy, I can try this bad boy here. There you go. So good. Let's try some sauce. Okay, this is pretty huge sandwich. So good. Excellent.